Okay students, so welcome you all back. In this session, I am going to take the coordination system in 3 dimension. Okay, so let us go through your 3-dimensional geometry and let us see some of the multiple choice problems on your coordinate system. Okay, so that is 3-dimensional coordinate system. Clear? Okay, so here first I will go with objective type questions of level 1. Okay, so let us see the first problem, that is if the distance between the points 1 comma 2 comma k and 3 comma 5 comma minus 2 is 7, then k equal to option 1 minus 4 or 8, option 2 4 or minus 8, option 3 minus 4 or minus 8, option 4 4 or 8. Okay, so here you all know the distance between two points. What is the distance between 2 points? They have given it as 7. Clear? So they have given the distance between 2 points is 7. Then you can just square it and you can get 49. Okay, so I will take 1 comma 2 comma k is a, 3 comma 5 comma minus 2 is b, and I will take the length AB as 7. So now AB square is 49. I can write it as 2 square plus 3 square plus k plus 2 whole square, that is equal to 49. Okay, so now if I want to solve this equation, you can just see 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, and here you can just see k square plus 4 plus 4k will be equal to 49. So therefore you can solve it and you can get k plus 2 whole square equal to 49 minus 13, and you can see that 49 minus 13 is 36, and k plus 2 whole square will be equal to 36. You expand k plus 2 whole square, that will be k plus 2 equal to plus or minus 6, that is applying square root on both sides. So now you can just see k will be 4 or k will be minus 8. K will be 4 or k will be minus 8. So therefore you can see that option 2 is going to be the answer. Clear? So here the very important thing is you have to take 2 points A and B. The distance between 2 points is 7, and you can see that by taking squaring on both sides, it will be AB square equal to 49, and you can see that 2 square plus 3 square plus k plus 2 whole square will be equal to 49, and if I solve the equation, it is going to be equal to k plus 2 equal to plus or minus 6. Therefore k will be equal to 4 or k will be equal to minus 8. Okay, so therefore option 2 will be your correct answer. Okay, so for the first question, option 2 will be the correct answer. Okay, so now let us go for the second question, that is if a equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3, b equal to 3 comma 5 comma 7, and p comma q are the points on AB such that AP equal to PQ equal to QB, then the midpoint of PQ is, you just see A and B are the 2 points, P and Q are the points on AB such that AP equal to PQ equal to QB. Then the midpoint of PQ is, okay, so AB are the 2 points, P and Q are the points on AB such that AP equal to PQ equal to QB. Okay, So here you can see AB are given, and AP equal to PQ equal to QB is given. Then the midpoint of PQ equal to the midpoint of AB. So therefore you can just see here, I will take this as A and I will take this as B. Now I have 2 points P and Q. Now I have 2 points P and Q. Then here the length of AP equal to length of PQ equal to length of QB. So therefore then the midpoint of PQ is what they are asking. Okay. So for that you just see, given that AP equal to PQ equal to QB. Now use the midpoint formula of PQ equal to midpoint of AB. Okay, midpoint of PQ equal to midpoint of AB. So now the midpoint of PQ is equal to what? 1 plus 3 divided by 2, because this is AB. Okay, so this is AB. Now the midpoint of AB is the midpoint of PQ. Okay, so therefore you can find the midpoint of AB, that is, you can see here you have 2 points, 1 plus 3. Okay, 1 plus 3 divided by 2. Next 2 plus 5 divided by 2. Next 3 plus 7 divided by 2. Okay, that will be 4 by 2 is 2, 7 by 2, and another one is 10 by 2, that is 5. So therefore option 2 is the correct answer. That is, x value is 2, y value is 3.5, z value is 5. Clear? Okay. So now quickly we can move for problem number 3. That is, if L comma M, see here, if L comma M are the feet of the perpendiculars from 2 comma 4 comma 5 to the xy plane and yz plane respectively, then the distance LM is, okay, you just see here, if L comma M are the feet of the perpendiculars from 2 comma 4 comma 5 to xy plane and yz plane respectively, then the distance LM is, you just see they have given the 4 options, but here you have P as 2 comma 4 comma 5. Now projection of P on xy plane will be L, that is 2 comma 4 comma 0, and next projection of P on yz plane M, that will be 0 comma 4 comma 5, and next you can just see the distance between 2 points formula. By using distance between 2 points formula, you can take square root of 2 square is 4, 0 square is 0, 5 square is 25, 25 plus 4 is 29. So therefore the length of LM is going to be root 29. Okay. So hence you can see here the length of 2 points, the distance between 2 points LM is nothing but root 29. Okay. So for that, first you have to find projection of P on xy. Next you have to find projection of P on yz, and next by taking L and M, you can find the distance between 2 points. So that will be square root of 2 square plus 0 square plus 5 square. Clear? So therefore you have the answer, that is root 29. Okay, no problem. So that is option 3 will be the right answer. Option 3 will be the right answer. Clear? Okay. So quickly we can move for problem number 4. That is, if A comma B are the feet of the perpendicular from P 2 comma 4 comma 5, from P 2 comma 4 comma 5 to the axis, to the x-axis and y-axis respectively, then the distance of AB is, see, if A comma B are the feet of the perpendiculars from P to the x-axis and y-axis respectively, then the distance of AB is, they are asking. So now you can just find the projection of P on x-axis and a projection of P on y-axis. So from that you can just find the answer. So projection of P on the x-axis is 2, 0, 0. The projection of P on the y-axis is 0, 4, 0. So now the distance between 2 points will be square root of 2 square plus 4 square plus 0 square, that is root 20. So that is nothing but 2 root 5. So 2 root 5 is nothing but your correct answer, that is root 20. Okay. So here it is very simple, that is first you have to take the point and then you have to go for the projection of P on the x-axis, and next you have to go for the projection of P on y-axis. So projection of P on x-axis will be A, projection of P on y-axis will be B. So distance between A and B will be given by square root of x2 minus x1 whole square is 2 square, y2 minus y1 whole square is 4 square, z2 minus z1 whole square is 0 square. So that is root 20. So that is nothing but 2 root 5 is the correct answer. Okay. So that is option 1. Clear? So quickly now we can move for the point at which ZX plane intersect AB, where A and B are given. So here you can just see, that the point at which ZX plane intersect AB line, where A is minus 2, 3, 7 and B is 6, minus 1, 2. Okay. So that is B equal to 6, minus 1, 2. So now you just see this. A is given, B is given. ZX plane divides line AB in the ratio. ZX plane divides line AB in the ratio minus y1 is to y2. Say this. ZX plane divides the line AB in the ratio minus y1 is to y2. That is nothing but minus 3 is to minus 1. Because here y1 is 3, y2 is minus 1. So here formula is minus y1 is to y2. So for that this will be minus 3 is to minus 1. That implies 3 is to 1. Okay. So now ZX plane divides line AB in the ratio 3 is to 1. Clear? So already the 2 points are given. So now using these 2 points and this ratio, you can easily identify how the ZX plane divides AB in the ratio minus y1 is to y2. Okay. So see that very simple problem. There is a plane which is ZX plane intersects the line AB. For example, you can take this is the line and this is the plane. Okay. And this plane divides in the ratio minus 3 is to minus 1. So you can cancel minus 3. So that is 3 is to 1. Now the point A and point B are given. You can find the intersection point P. Clear? So therefore the intersection point P is given by 18 minus 2 divided by 4, minus 3 plus 3 divided by 4, 6 plus 7 divided by 4 by section formula. Okay. So here I am using the section formula. So therefore 18 minus 2 is 16 by 2, that is 4. This is minus 3 plus 3 is 0. 6 plus 7 is 12. 12 by 4 is 3. sorry, 6 plus 7 is 13, that is 13 by 4. So 4, 0, 13 by 4 will be the point P. That is option 2 is going to be the right answer. Option 2 is going to be the right answer for this particular question. Clear? Okay. So now quickly we can move for, we can move for problem number 6, that is the points A of -1, 0, 7, B of 3, 2, 1, C of 5, 3, -2 are collinear, then the ratio in which C divides line AB. See here, the points A of -1, 0, 7, B of 3, 2, 1, C of 5, 3, -2 are collinear, then the ratio in which C divides AB is, C divides AB is 1:3 internally, 3:1 internally, 1:3 externally, 3:1 externally. So you just say all the 3 points are collinear. So C divides AB in the ratio given by x1 minus x is to x minus x2. Okay. C divides the line AB in the ratio x1 minus x is to x minus x2. That is -1 minus 5 is to 5 minus 3. So therefore you are going to get -6 is to 2. That is nothing but -3 is to 1 and you can say that 3 is to 1 externally. 3 is to 1 externally. Okay. Quickly you can see that option 4 will be the right answer. Clear? So here the very important thing is the formula that you are using for this particular problem, that you can see it is given by x1 minus x is to x minus x2. Okay, so this will be the ratio. C divides the line AB in the ratio x1 minus x is to x minus x2. So therefore that you can just see x1 is -1, x is 3, sorry, x is 5. So that you, if you simplify it, you are going to get -1 minus 5, that is -6. 5 minus 3 is 2. Therefore -3 is to 1, that is 3 is to 1 externally. So option 4 is the right answer. Okay. So now quickly we can move for problem number 7. Quickly we can move for problem number 7. That is if the perpendicular distance, from a point P to the coordinate axis are 2, 3, 5. If the perpendicular distance from a point P to the coordinate axis are 2, 3, 5, then the distance of the point P from the origin is, the distance of the point P from the origin is what they are asking. So the perpendicular distance from a point P to the coordinate axis are given. So now they are asking the distance of a point P from the origin. Clear? So therefore you can just see that the distance from the x-axis is 2, the distance from the y-axis is 3, the distance from the z-axis is 5. Now the distance from origin is given by square root of x square plus y square plus z square. Therefore that is going to be equal to 2 times of x square plus y square plus z square equal to 38. So that is x square plus y square plus z square equal to 19. X square plus y square plus z square equal to 19. Okay. So therefore the distance from the origin is given by OP, that is square root of x square plus y square plus z square, that is root 19. Root 19 is going to be the right answer, that is your option 1. Okay. So clearly here you can just see that the distance from the origin is given by 2, 3 and 5, and the distance from the origin formula is given by distance of point P. Distance of point P from origin. Origin is given by square root of x square plus y square plus z square. So that is nothing but 4 plus 9 plus 25. But here you be careful, this is the distance of point P from x-axis, the distance of point point from y-axis, the distance of point from z-axis. Okay. So now if we go through it, you have to take the equation 2 times of x square plus y square plus z square, that is equal to 19, sorry, that is equal to 38. Okay. So therefore that is going to be 19, and using this formula, don't use this, it is equal to root 19. Don't do this mistake, because here they have given the distance of point P from x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. Okay. So use that. Root 19 is going to be the correct answer. Clear? That is option 1. So now quickly from all these steps we can move for the next question. So before we go to the next question, we shall go for problem number 8. Okay. So here you can just see, if order pair, that is triplet, if P comma Q comma R is equidistant from 1 comma 2 comma minus 3, 2 comma minus 3 comma 1, minus 3 comma 1 comma 2, then P plus Q plus R equal to minus 1, 1, 0 and origin 0 comma 0 comma 0. Okay. So here you can just see that the 3 points A, B and C are given. Here P, Q, R equal to circumcenter, that is equal to centroid. Circumcenter is equal to centroid. From that formula of a circumcenter or a centroid, we can take P, Q, R as 1 plus 2 minus 3 divided by 3, 2 minus 3 plus 1 divided by 3, minus 3 plus 1 plus 2 divided by 3. So that will be 0 comma 0 comma 0. So therefore 0 comma 0 comma 0 will be your required answer. Okay. So that P plus Q plus R is going to be equal to 0. That is option 3 is the correct answer. Are you getting my point? If P comma Q comma R is an equidistant from the 3 given points, then they are asking P plus Q plus R. So P comma Q comma R is going to be 0 comma 0 comma 0. So if I add all 3 terms, that is going to be equal to 0. That is P plus Q plus R is equal to 0. Okay. So quickly we can move for problem number 9. That is, if P is on y-axis. If P is on y-axis, full point, if P is equidistant from 1 comma 2 comma 3 and 2 comma 3 comma 4, the point P is on y-axis. If P is equidistant from 1 comma 2 comma 3 and 2 comma 3 comma 4, then Py equal to, okay. So here you can just see that is 15 by 2, 15, 30 as well as 3 by 2. So therefore A, B are given. A is 1 comma 2 comma 3, B is 2 comma 3 comma 4. So let P equal to 0 comma y comma 0. Okay, because point P on y axis, therefore x and z will be 0, you will get only y. So PA equal to PB, PA equal to PB, because they have given it is equidistant. The length PA must be equal to length PB because they are equidistant from the given point P. They are equidistant from the given point P. Okay. So now squaring on both sides, we get 1 plus y minus 2 whole square plus 9, 4 plus y minus 3 whole square plus 16. So by simplifying that, it will be y minus 2 whole square plus 10 equal to y minus 3 whole square plus 20. So that will be equal to y square plus 4 minus 4y plus 10 equal to y square plus 9 minus 6y plus 20. Therefore 2y equal to 15, y equal to 15 by 2. So that you can just see option 1 is going to be the right answer, because you got y as 15 by 2, y as 15 by 2. So here we are using the equidistant statement, that is it is equidistant from the point P to the points A, B. So A and B are given. Take the condition of distance between 2 points and take those things are equal. So therefore from that you can see that y will be equal to 15 by 2. Okay, so now quickly we can go for problem number 10, that is if h comma k are the perpendicular distance from 1 comma 2 comma 3 to the x-axis, z-axis respectively, then hk is, see, if h comma k are perpendicular distance from 1 comma 2 comma 3, if h comma k are the perpendicular distance from 1 comma 2 comma 3 to x-axis, z-axis respectively, then hk is, that means the length of hk is they are asking. So here these are the 4 options, and you can see P is 1 comma 2 comma 3, h is equal to square root of y square plus z square, that is root of, see here, h, which is the perpendicular distance from 1 comma 2 comma 3 to the x-axis. Okay, so they are calculating the perpendicular distance to the x-axis from this point, so this term will be 0. So therefore 4 plus 9 will be 13. On the same way, for k term you can just see they are calculating from z-axis, so this term will become 0. So therefore 1 plus 4, 1 square plus 2 square, that is 1 plus 4, so root 5. Now hk, that means multiplication of hk will be root 13 into root 5, that is root 65. Okay, so option 4 will be the correct answer for the problem number 10. Clear? Okay, so quickly we can go for problem number 11. Here you have a equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3, b equal to 2 comma 10 comma 1, q are collinear, that means a, b, q are collinear points, and qx equal to minus 1, qz equal to what they are asking. Okay, no problem, a, b, q are the collinear points. Then we know that the slopes must be equal made by all these 3 points. Therefore x1 minus x2 divided by x2 minus x3, y1 minus y2 divided by y2 minus y3, z1 minus z2 divided by z2 minus z3. So that will be 1 minus 2 divided by 2 plus 1, 2 minus 10 divided by 10 minus y, 3 minus 1 divided by 1 minus z. So therefore here you can just see, I will take 1 minus 2 is minus 1, 2 plus 1 is 3. Therefore minus 1 divided by 3 equal to 2 divided by 1 minus z. So from this you can see Z will be equal to 7. Z will be equal to 7. So that is the correct answer. Okay. So now we can move for the next problem, that is problem number 12. Okay. So just see the problem number 12, that is if a equal to 1 comma minus 2 comma 3, b equal to 2 comma 1 comma 3, c equal to 4 comma 2 comma 1, z equal to minus 1 comma 3 comma 5 is the centroid of see ABC are the points and G is the centroid of the tetrahedron ABCD if P equal to dy, Q equal to dz, then 13P minus 11Q equal to what they are asking. 13P minus 11Q equal to what they are asking. Okay. So for that we can go for A, B, C and G, that is centroid of the tetrahedron. Okay. So now D will be equal to x comma p comma q that is now centroid is minus 1 comma 3 comma 5. Centroid is minus 1 comma 3 comma 5. So therefore I will use the centroid formula, that is minus 1 will be equal to 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus x divided by 4 and 3 will be equal to minus 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus p divided by 4 and 5 will be equal to 3 plus 1 plus q divided by 4. Okay. So now by using this formula you can just see p plus 1 will be equal to 12, q plus 7 will be equal to 20. So therefore p is 11, q is 13. That means now 13p minus 11q will be equal to 0. That is option 1 is the correct answer. Option 1 will be the right answer. Clear? Because they are asking 13p minus 11q. So 13p minus 11q means 13 into 11 minus 11 into 13 will be equal to 0. Okay. So that is option 1 will be the right answer. Clear? So now let us go for problem number 13. Say if A equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3, B equal to 2 comma 3 comma 4 and C is a point of trisection. C is a point of trisection of AB such that Cx plus Cy is equal to 13 by 3 and then Cz is what we have to simplify. So for that they have given the 4 options, that is 10 by 3, 11 by 13, 11 by 2 and 11. So now we can go for AB are the given points. C divides AB in the ratio 2:1. C divides AB in the ratio 2:1. So now C is given by 4 plus 1 divided by 3, 6 plus 2 divided by 3, 8 plus 3 divided by 3. By getting the point C, that is 5 by 3, 8 by 3, 11 by 3, now we have to find Cx plus Cy. Okay, so Cx plus Cy will be 5 by 3, 8 by 3, 11 by 3. So that is Cz will be equal to 11 by 3. Cz will be equal to 11 by 3. So that is your option 2. Okay. So option 2 is going to be the right answer. Clear? Okay. So quickly we can go for problem number 14. That is, two opposite vertices of a square are 2 comma minus 3 comma 4, 4 comma 1 comma minus 2, the length of the side of a square is, the length of a side of the square is what they are asking. So see, the two opposite vertices are 2 comma minus 3 comma 4 and 4 comma 1 comma minus 2. Okay, these are the opposite vertices of square. Suppose if you take this is the square and these are the two vertices A and B. Now the length of the side of the square is what they are asking. They are asking the length of the side of the square. So that will be, first let us calculate D, that is diagonal, that is taken by distance between 2 points. So first let us find the diagonal AB, that is going to be equal to root of 4 minus 2, that is 2, 1 minus of minus 3, that is 4, minus 2 minus 4 is minus 6. So root 56 will be the diagonal length. So that x is equal to d by root 2, that is nothing but the side of the square is given by diagonal divided by root 2. So diagonal divided by root 2 will be what? Root 56 divided by root 2. So that is 2 root 7. 2 root 7 will be the right answer. Okay. So that is option 2. Clear? So from this you can understand option 2 will be the right answer. Option 2 will be the right answer. So quickly we can move for problem number 15. So here you can just see the problem number 15. Let A is 4, 7, 8, B is 2, 3, 4, C is 2, 5, 7 be the vertices of triangle ABC. The length of the median AD is, the length of the median AD is root 2, root 2 by 2, root 77 by 2, root 89 by 2. So now you can just see A, B, C are the given points. Let D be the midpoint of, let D be the midpoint of BC. Let D be the midpoint of BC. So now D will be given by 2 plus 2 by 2, 3 plus 5 by 2, 4 plus 7 by 2. So that is 2, 4, 11 by 2. So therefore the length of median is square root of x square plus y square plus z square. That is 4 plus 9 plus 25 by 4. So therefore root 77 by 2 will be the right answer. Root 77 by 2 will be the right answer. Okay. So from this you can see that option 3 is the right answer. Option 3 is the right answer. Clear? Okay. So the remaining problems I will continue in the next class. That is on Monday. So let us see the remaining problems in the next class. Clear? Okay.